Hello guys, this is Yogesh and today we will install Adobe Photoshop CS3 in our PC. So for that you have to go to your software where it is stored. So I will open the software. Here you are having an autoplay option. It's an application. So I will right click on this. It's right click, run as administrator. It will open a setup file. I have to click on install Adobe CS master collection as I am having a master collection of this software. So there are various softwares of Adobe, that's Illustrator, Photoshop and everything. It will run the setup. It's completed. So here you're having Adobe Secure Software License Agreement. You have to click next. Here we are having a serial number. So I have a serial number. So I'll go to crack folder, serial key. So we'll just copy the serial key from here and we'll paste it in the software where it's required, so that my version will not be trial, it will be registered. Click on next here. As I said, it's a master collection, so I am having various softwares of Adobe. That's After Effects, Dreamweaver, Encore, Flash Player, Illustrator. So I just don't require all this software, so I will just select the software which I require. So I will select Photoshop. It's selected. And I will click on next. So I don't require any software. You can select any software which you want to install and just press next. It will ask the drive to install in it. It is default, so don't make any changes and press install. So it will install the software which you have been selected. So it takes some time to install all the software which you have been selected. So we'll wait for some time so that the softwares will be installed in your PC. As we have also, if you do not have a serial key for the software, it will install a trial version, so that which will expire after 1 month and all. So we'll just once it is finished, so you have to click on finish. The software completed installation. You have to close the drives. You have to go to your program files. Here I will press on search option, Photoshop. It will give me a file. Here I am having Adobe Photoshop CS3. I will open it. Yes. So it's a simple process and the Photoshop is working now. So it's opening. For first time it will take some time to open. So it's a graphics software. If your PC is having good graphics, so it will work fast. You have to click on register later. It's no matter. You can see Photoshop is opened. So now you can use this software for editing your photos and all. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, like, comment and subscribe.